my first semester, I came to the school, and I use a lot of assistive technology to allow me to be successful and to play on a level playing field to my peers. And it just happened that I had done a lot of planning. As a person with a disability, you can really never be spontaneous about anything. You have to plan for lots of exigencies, and I had done a lot of planning to get the technology there on time. And, you know, best laid plans through a variety of circumstances, the technology was not there when I arrived. And then very unfortunately, my own personal computer broke very soon after I came to class. So I was 2 weeks in and really floundering because my computer, this is back in 2013. So for those who can get in the Wayback Machine, I know now everyone is very, very connected to their smart devices, but that was me a long time ago. It was my lifeline to everything, my textbooks, my notes, my ability to do my legal research, everything. And I went to Professor Barrett, and again, these sort of metaphysical things that we're all alluding to, like her presence, her deep honesty that is just apparent on the face of everything she says. Like they're hard to describe, but if you've ever known her or interacted with her, they're very transparent. And it was those things that I picked up on about her being in her classroom that led me to believe that I could depend on her and trust her. And I went to her and I disclosed, you know, the problems that I was having. And she told me, like, this is not your problem anymore. This is my problem, and I will take care of this for you. And the thing is that as a person with a disability, you hear that a lot. You hear a lot of people say, don't worry, you can rely on me. And unfortunately, a lot of the times that isn't actually the case. But when Professor Barrett, who had no reason to owe me anything, she didn't have any reason to look out for me, to advocate for me, to take a personal interest or use any of her time, as we know, is very, very short supply. But she did, and when she told me, I will take care of it. As someone who has experienced these types of barriers many, many times, I knew that it was a rare circumstance when I could rely on her.